Since this is a rolling cart, let's test the wheels, and they work great. Hey, I'm Steve. This is the Amazon Basics 3-tier rolling cart. I've removed everything from the packaging. I put these together before, and this looks like it's going to be an easy install. The first thing you're going to want to do is just kind of fit the pieces based on the diagram like a jigsaw puzzle. Very easy, only takes a few seconds. They include the tools that you would need, but however, I would recommend you use your own Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, we're halfway done. That's what it's going to look like. One more shelf to go. Alright, all 3 shelves are installed. Super easy, and all we have is the wheels left. Let me give you a little close-up. Now the wheels, they do have these little locking mechanisms, so you don't have to worry about the cart rolling all over the place. Everything looks great on it, easy to put together. I like the mesh in the bottom of these shelving trays. So yeah, this thing is very easy to put together, very sturdy. Gonna be perfect for me, I think. And we are done. This is a really nice little rolling cart. It's going to be a perfect addition to my shop. Since this is a rolling cart, let's test the wheels, and they work great. I like this cart. I think you will like it too. I definitely recommend it. So if you're looking at this cart, I hope you found the video helpful.